Simple affiliate marketing tips from the pros. Ready to begin with your own affiliate marketing plan? Do you know where to start or how to begin? Do you know what products will work for you and your business? If you have no clue how to answer these questions, the tips that are listed below are for you. An efficient blog or website is going to create far more affiliate traffic than almost anything else you can do. Be sure that your site is always streamlined and easy to use. A complicated site stuffed with junk content is going to immediately turn traffic away. So, make sure the site is clean and easy to navigate. Internet marketing is one of the best ways to reach a very diverse audience. Years ago, you were limited as to who you could reach with your product advertisements. With so many people from all over the world online, you can now market your products, literally, to the ends of the earth. You can help your local businesses advertise their goods by featuring them through affiliate marketing links on your website. This is a great way to build lasting business relationships that can help you make money, at the same time as keeping business local. Affiliate marketing links are a great way to make some extra cash. Some potential customers will not want to purchase anything through your website if you aren't upfront about the fact that you use affiliate marketing. You want to be honest about what you do and that you earn a profit from them purchasing from your website. If not, they may go elsewhere to purchase this item. Do you know how to begin your own plan now? Can you now find a place to begin with it? Do you know what will work for your business? If you can now provide an answer to these questions, then you have read and understood the previous tips and are ready to make affiliate marketing work for you. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.